Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Now, let's look at one of the pranayama practice, Bhramari pranayama. It's a very popular pranayama, and this pranayama you can also do in the night, in the middle of the night, and every possible detail is explained in your guide, so please refer there. And here I'm only going to demonstrate how to practice this pranayama precisely. I'm going to practice from swastikasana, and for this particular pranayama we're going to use shunya mudra. This mudra is done basically you're going to close your earlobe with thumb, index finger on top of your eyebrow, middle finger right under your eyebrow, your ring finger are pressing a little bit right below your nostrils, and pinky finger is just lying under your lips. This is Shunya Mudra. For Bhramari, you're going to breathe in, breathe out first, then breathe in, and we're going to exhale in merge out. And for this, you should be able to feel the vibration you create with that masa. It's basically the last sound from Omkar. Okay, let's do this. Inhale and out. Now inhale. Exhale out in masa. So I demonstrated 2 cycles. Make sure that you follow this and make sure you read the guide first for more clarity. Happy practicing.